Today we are painting the calipers. Got the first one painted right now, so just got the first coat on it. Went with the Dupli color caliper paint. You just literally paint it on. Take the tire off. Very easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint the rest of them and let you see the final product. Got the first one done. Got the rim back on. So as you can see, looks pretty good. Here's the comparison. So that one is next. So finished painting all four of them. There's the final product. Again, it was really easy. Just painted it on. Did 2 coats, waited 20 minutes in between coats, and then I'm gonna let it dry for 24 hours. It's still a little tacky, so I'm gonna let it sit, but very easy mod.